Good morning, folks. Dr. Dual Sport here. I am at the Flying Monkey Adventure Rally. Just checking out all these cool looking bikes. Looks like this is going to be a pretty good sized group ride today. We're going to be headed for Torroweap, the north side of the Grand Canyon. Quite a group, quite a variety of bikes, man. It's going to be cool. Everybody's all pumped up and ready to go, looking good. Well, folks, here we are pulling into the Mount Carmel Junction. We're just going to check real quick, see if any of these guys need fuel. I guess I'm going through the crazy way. That was kind of a crazy way to come in there, wasn't it? Oh well. You gotta be crazy once in a while. We'll see. We'll watch the guys take off, man. That's looks pretty cool. Away they go. Yeah, I don't know if anybody's got to get gas or. Today I'm riding with Tyler from the Ever Ride channel. There he is, folks, and Chris from Twigs Adventure. So we're gonna have a good time. Stay with us, guys, and we'll show you the sights.
Well, guys, I got a little something to confess. Us four riders, we ended up being the tail enders, and we headed down towards the coral pink sand dunes where we turned off, and then we were going to cut over to the Colorado City, and Tyler just kind of had that funny look on his face, and like that his brain was thinking. And anyway, he said, "Say, how would you, Beans? You know, you guys, some of you guys have the smaller dual sport bikes. How would you like to, instead of going to Torroweap today, which is a long ride, how would you like to just turn around and ride back to my place and ride around near St. George?" And so, anyway, there's Tyler of the Ever Ride channel, and then Chris from Twigs ADV, and then come to find out, the other guy that is with us, his channel is GS Crasher, and he drove here all the way from Illinois, I believe. So, I hope I got that right. I forget how many hundred miles, and he hadn't slept all night, but he'd heard about the ride to Torroweap today, so he didn't want to miss it. And he's on his DRZ. He left his GS home. So we're gonna go. So us four, we're all moto vloggers. We're gonna ride back to St. George, around, probably go to Warner Valley or somewhere and ride around. I'm gonna go back, switch bikes, and get on the WR. And so that's my story. I'm sticking to it. When we get over that way, we'll show you a little bit of that ride. Well, folks, Dr. Dual Sport here. I'm riding with Tyler, Chris, and Rick. And it's tunnel time. We're going to mosey on through the old Zion Tunnel. I love going through this tunnel. Hey! Got a little bit of wheelie action there. Yeah, it's always great going through this tunnel, man. It's, I don't know what it is about it, but I always enjoy it. Years ago, they had pullouts where you could pull out by the windows and you know, look out there. But now, you know, for safety reasons, the amount of traffic going through here is just unreal. Especially in the summer, the tourists that come to visit Zion, they you know, they're up in the millions of people that visit there every year. It's unreal. There's old Tyler. He looks like a spaceman with that pack he has on his back there. That's his drone pack. I think he, in a way, he kind of wanted to go to Torroweap there and fly that drone out over the Grand Canyon there. But anyway, we just decided we'd sooner do a little dual sport moto brapping, you know. Moto brapping. We will be moto brapping. Do you like to moto brap? Yes, we do. We like to moto brap. We will be moto brapping. Yeah, that tunnel is always great. I always love the tunnel. Hey, 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 what do you say? Awesome view, awesome view. Yeah, anybody, if you've never been to Zion's Canyon, if you ever get the chance, come and do it. Come and see it. It's so beautiful, so scenic. There's really a lot of neat little hiking trails too that, you know, if you've got some time to kill. We had some people at the meetup that yesterday they went and hiked the Narrows trail up the bottom there at the top end of Zion. You kind of hike through, you have to like hike in the water. It's like maybe up to, in some places maybe as deep as your thigh. You know, it'll get up, or you know, below your hip there probably. Then most of it's shallower than that, but there's only certain times of the year that you can do the Zion narrows because the flow of water is too great. You know, there's just too much turbulence, and then you have to be really careful to check your weather reports. You know, if there happen to be like thunder showers in the area, you'd never want to go in there because there's you know, many times there's been people that have you know, lost their life, got swept away in the flood. You know, those thunder showers can happen so fast upstream there, and then big old surge of water comes down there and just washes you down. So anyway, there's your view, folks. Beautiful. So anyway, we're gonna ride on to St. George, Utah. Then we'll go out in that area and ride. I don't know if it'll be, I'm thinking Warner Valley. We'll see when we get there. So thanks for riding along thus far with us. We'll catch you up the road a piece.